Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Tech Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Horizon. If you're still using the Dawn, you're missing out. Horizon, because this is the Shopify's first blog first theme, and it changes everything about how we design. So we now have nested blocks up to 8 levels deep. So this means that you can build complex custom grids and storytelling sections without a single line of code. To add your new Horizon, just go and focus into your online store. After you have signed in correctly, click into the option that says themes, scroll all the way down and look for the one that says popular free themes. Usually by default it might be appearing the Horizon, the Tenga and the Saver. If you don't see this, you can always focus into the option that says visit the theme store. Directly here into the theme store is going to focus into the option that says free. I enable this, and here I wanted to look out for the option that says Horizon. Usually might be appearing almost down here, which in this case here is. So go for the option that says Horizon and add into my store. In my case it says add new copy because I already have this directly added in here. So in your case, just go for Horizon, make sure that this one has the latest version, and hit for the option that says published. Just like that, this element will be appearing now into your new website. Now, today let's see how we can use the global blocks and to nest the section. So I am going to open the customize it into the edit the theme. The bigger challenge or changes into Horizon is the nested block. When you click into add section, you can notice that there's some modular elements. So I can drag a text blocks directly into an image block or create a custom overlay. So first, let's say that I go for my template, and here for example let's say that I choose a marquee. In older themes these were fixes. Into the Horizon everything is a movable piece. So check out how it actually looks, this actual piece. I can drag a text block into an image block as I just did. I can see a section you love, for example, and I click into create a global block, or add a section before or add a section after. This is totally optional and you can do it directly inside here. Right now, the advanced header is a really great customization. I'm gonna head over for the actual header. Now Horizon finally gives you the transparent header. They can be now be changing in no time. If you don't see the transparent layer, what you can do is to change this scheme into a new one. But basically the home page has this transparent background like this, and it actually does look really well when I activate it. You can of course have the product page transparent background also. Now you can add images directly into your mega menus. Just add a menu image blocked inside it directly inside here into my main menu. And something else that I can do is that instead of going for the feature pros, go for collection images, and the image corner views go for 4, and we can enable the navigation bar, and it actually doesn't look that bad. Now something else, for example, there's no more apps for the swatches. You can go for the theme settings product and enable the native swatches because Horizon will put you burn colors automatically. Now the Sidekick AI for rapid edits. So if you're feeling stuck, you can open or ask for changes with the social proof section below my hero banner. Let's say for example into the home catalog, in this case let's say for example changed or make this menu a little bigger. And usually it doesn't really work. Sometimes it doesn't make a lot of changes, and you can learn why exactly is that. So your header menu is now bigger and more prominent. The changes has been applied to your actual custom theme, right? You can do much more stuff. For example, here into this specific element, let's say add a new section with feature information about my unique product of this store. Adding a new section to the showcase feature, customizing the actual theme. It might be appearing directly inside that. Something else that you can do, for example, is to focus directly into your own elements into the left section. Check out how this new section were added by the actual Sidekick, and it actually does really great work. In my case, I think that I'm going to put this now a little bit down. So Sidekit actually does a really great work when it comes to checking out your website to making some changes. This is not perfect, but it actually does a really great work. So this is how you can start by customizing your new Horizon theme element. So basically guys, this is how you can actually get started with this great elements. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools, not for the sidekick also, but there's AI elements. There are more things to cover directly here into Shopify. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and well, see you guys next time.